Meaning of earnings-related.
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 Earnings-related. Earnings-related means that a particular financial benefit or payment is tied to an individual's income or earnings. For example, in some countries, unemployment benefits may be calculated based on the amount of money the individual had earned before losing their job. Similarly, some pension schemes may require contributions from both the employee and the employer, with the eventual pension payout being related to the individual's salary during their working years. In short, earnings-related refers to a financial benefit being adjusted according to an individual's income or earnings.